What's up, guys? Your girl ELLOPEP23, get it right. And today we are going to go ahead and put in these braids. Baby been looking rough, and I needed something because I just haven't been in the mood to do my hair, and leaving it in a bun is not the answer. So this is just gonna be a voiceover tutorial. It's not gonna be a super detailed, but I just want to show you guys how I did it, and I'll give a little bit of insight. But I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm doing smaller sections this time. If you haven't watched my previous video on me doing knotless braids, go watch that. But I did bigger braids, but I'm doing like smaller knotless braids. So you can see I have two different shirts on. It took me 2 days to part my hair. Number one, because of laziness. Number two, because it's so much work. Mirror one, now mirror over here. So I am taking the packs of hair and I'm separating them and putting it on this rack so that I can just have better preparation and be ready for when I'm braiding, so I won't have to do it while I'm braiding, which is going to take me longer if I did that. But I went ahead and parted my whole head already. The hair, I'm putting it in medium size. So when it comes to braiding, I'm going to put it in 3 parts. In one braid, I'm gonna put it in 3 parts. I'm gonna take my shining gem and I'm gonna put it on there and make it as sleek as possible so that when you're braiding it won't be too much hair flying everywhere. And as you go, I like to, as I go, put more shining gem on, but you'll see it later in the video. But as you can see, I'm plaited once or twice, and then I take my hair, the extra added hair, and I put it in between those 2 fingers you see right there, and I put it in between those and connect the added hair and my regular hair together and keep braiding. Now it looked a little difficult. I don't really know how to explain it, to be honest, y'all, but I promise you it's not as hard as it looks. But just, you're gonna keep braiding and you're gonna braid once or twice, and then you're gonna add more hair. And the farther you go down, the less you're gonna add. The more you're gonna add. So you're gonna braid until it starts to get thinner, and then you're gonna add hair. So I don't really add hair. As you see, I'm adding the gem, but I don't really add hair until it starts to get slim. But as you can see, I kind of made this one a little chunkier, but it's cute either way. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my head and do the same way. I did different methods. I've seen different methods, so I tried different methods because I don't know, I like the way all of them work, but it was just however I was feeling in that moment. But yeah, that's all. I mean, that's the best I can explain. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm just gonna show y'all. Just watch. So now I'm about to do the front of my head. Child, this one, I had tried to do a heart in the front at first, but it didn't work. So I ended up doing a curvy type of look, if that makes sense. You'll see when I finish, but I just separated with the videos I saw. I just separated like 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 parts, and I basically went zigzag. I went braided down, and then I started to connect to the next part. As you can see where I'm separating, I braided down and I went back up towards I braided up when I got to the next section, and then when I got finished that section, I braided right back down. You'll see as I braid, it's kind of hard to explain, but it really isn't hard, if that makes sense. If you separate it and put enough gel to keep it slick, you got it. You got it. I have faith in y'all. So y'all, I only did one zigzag. To be honest, I was supposed to do 2 more, one in the middle and one on the other side, but it didn't go as I thought it would. But it still looks cute with this one, and the other one I did do on the other side, but it looked a little janky, so we just gonna act like it's straight. But this is the finished product, baby. We're gonna put on a scarf. I put mousse on it just to let it lay down a little bit. Put on a scarf, let it dry, and yeah. That's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at ELLOPEP23. Get it right. And yeah.